Have you ever wondered what fuels the breathtaking dance of colors in the sky known as the Northern Lights? These natural light displays are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a profound demonstration of Earth's interaction with the sun. Geomagnetic storms, the powerful invisible forces behind the Northern Lights, start about 93 million miles away on the sun. Our star, the sun, is a tumultuous place, filled with explosive energy and magnetic fields. Occasionally, the sun releases huge clouds of magnetic energy and plasma, a phenomenon known as a coronal mass ejection, or CEME. When these charged particles hurtle towards Earth, they can spark dramatic changes in our planet's magnetic environment. Upon reaching Earth, these solar particles collide with the magnetic field that envelops our planet. This magnetic field extends far into space and acts as a shield, protecting us from solar wind and cosmic rays. When solar particles meet this magnetic shield, they cause it to fluctuate and undulate. These disturbances are what we call geomagnetic storms. The most visible effect of these storms occurs near the polar regions of the Earth. Here, the planet's magnetic field lines funnel these charged solar particles into the upper atmosphere. As these particles collide with gases like nitrogen and oxygen, they excite these atoms, causing them to light up. This process creates the glowing auroral displays known as the aurora borealis in the north and the aurora australis in the south. But the impacts of geomagnetic storms reach beyond just these dazzling lights. At extreme levels, such as the recent G5 storm, these solar outbursts can pose risks to satellites, communication systems, and even ground-based technologies and power grids. The storm earlier this month, triggered by a large cluster of sunspots on the sun's surface, not only painted the skies in vibrant hues, but also reminded us of our vulnerability to the sun's whims. In summary, geomagnetic storms are powerful disturbances in Earth's magnetic field caused by the influx of solar particles. These storms can result in spectacular displays of the northern and southern lights, but can also disrupt modern technology. Understanding these forces not only satiates our curiosity about the natural world, but also prepares us for potential impacts on our technological infrastructure. The dance of the auroras, thus, is a beautiful yet potent reminder of our interconnectedness with the broader cosmos.